The ground vibrates. Danger looms near. Uneven settlement, cracks, structural tilting. Vibroflotation ground improvement. A vaccination for the earth. Via deep Vibro-Compaction, deformation of loose sandy soil foundations can be reduced by 60% to 75%. Through Vibro-Replacement, deformation of cohesive soil foundations can drop by 20% to 50%. Saturated loose sand and sill foundations reinforced by Vibro-Compaction achieve a relative density of up to 70%, with most reaching 80%. This method fully or partially eliminates soil liquefaction in compliance with codes and project requirements. Induce and stabilize settlements in advance. Deformation control, liquefaction resistance, pre-settlement treatment, 3 core advantages integrated. No post-construction remediation, thorough root cause solutions at the preliminary stage. Keep your project stable, upright, and word-free. Vibroflotation technology harness vibratory force for century-long structural stability.